As we learn about chemical texture services, we should understand the reasons to perform such services. Texture services are problem solvers. They allow a person to wear just about any hair texture. Knowing how to perform texture services well builds a strong clientele base. Retail products for chemically treated hair also help to boost retail sales. Without understanding chemistry, a cosmetologist could easily damage a client's hair. There are 3 forms of chemical texture services cosmetologists often perform in the salon. Permanent waving is chemically altering straight hair by permanently adding wave or curl to the hair. Chemical hair relaxing is the process of chemically altering curly hair by permanently removing curl from the hair. And curl reforming, also known as soft curl permanents, are chemically altering extremely curly hair permanently by loosening the curl from the hair. To understand how the chemicals affect the hair, you must first understand the structure of the hair shaft. The hair shaft is made up of 3 main portions: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. The cuticle is the outermost layer of the hair strand. It consists of overlapping layers of cells, similar to that of fish scales or snakeskin. The cuticle protects the inner layers of the hair shaft. In order to be effective, texture chemicals must penetrate the cuticle layer. This layer gives the hair its shine and feel. The cortex layer is the layer found in the middle of the hair shaft, just beneath the cuticle. The cortex is responsible for the hair's strength and elasticity. This layer contains all of the hair's most important details, such as melanin pigment, 90% of the hair's total weight, and the strength of the hair. The side bonds in this layer must be broken to permanently change the wave pattern of the hair. All chemical changes take place here. The medulla is the innermost layer, often called the pith or core. It does not play a role in chemical texture services, and may even be missing from fine hair. The medulla is composed of round cells. Generally, only thick hair contains a medulla, and fine hair generally lacks a medulla. Male beard hair contains a medulla. The medulla is not involved in salon services. We learned in Chapter 12 that pH is an abbreviation for potential hydrogen, and that the symbol pH represents the quantity of hydrogen ions. A pH scale is a measure of the acidity and alkalinity of a substance. It has a range of 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, meaning it is neither acidic nor alkaline. The pH of a substance that ranges 0 to 6.9 indicates an acidic solution. The pH of a substance ranging from 7.1 to 14 indicates the substance is alkaline. pH is always a balance of both acidity and alkalinity. Pure, distilled water has a pH of 7, which is an equal balance of acid and alkaline. Although a pH of 7 is neutral on the pH scale, the pH of the hair, skin, and nails is measured at 5.5, therefore, the pH of water is 1.5 times more alkaline than that of the hair, skin, and nails. This difference in pH is the reason pure water can cause the hair to swell as much as 20%, and is also the reason that water is so drying to the hair, skin, and nails. All chemical changes in the hair take place inside the cortex layer. You must get the chemicals past the cuticle layer to allow them inside the cortex layer to work properly. Chemicals raise the hair's pH to alkaline levels, in order to soften and swell the hair shaft, to open the cuticle layer, and allow the solution to penetrate into the cortex. Coarse hair, with a strong, healthy, compact, cuticle layer, requires a higher alkalinity to open the cuticle layer. Porous, damaged hair, with a weak cuticle, requires very low alkalinity, as the cuticle layer is already open.